I'm Wes Smuts with McGrath Estate Agents and welcome to 147 Part Street. This 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom cottage has period features throughout and has a beautiful flow from the living, dining, back to the kitchen and then onto the spacious enclosed veranda, the perfect spot to watch the world go by and enjoy afternoon cocktails. If a starter home with investment potential is something that you're after in the heart of Rockhampton with easy access to the shops and amenities, then 147 Part Street is for you. Get in touch with me, Wes Smuts from McGrath Estate Agents for more information.